There are people right now charging $750 all the way to $1,200 per month for an AI receptionist that takes less than an hour to set up. And most local businesses don't even know this exists. So what are these people seeing that everyone else is missing? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, how to set this up, and how you can start getting clients as a complete beginner. So I'm just going to get right into this, and I'm going to actually show you what this AI reception is and explain how people are charging business owners $750 all the way to $1,200 per month for these AI receptionists. So the first thing I need to answer is, what is an AI receptionist? Okay, essentially what it is an AI robot that can answer the phone and do customer support and sales 24/7. It sounds and looks exactly like this.
Hello, you reached Evercrest Realty. This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey Chanel, how you doing? I'm looking to sell my house.
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Selling your house, exciting. Let's get started. I can schedule a free evaluation with one of our expert agents to help price and market it effectively. Could you share the property address with me?
So that's what an AI receptionist is. But now I need to show you why local businesses are willing to pay these kinds of prices for this and what kind of problem this solves. So why is it that local businesses like these, and really in any state, will be willing to pay for these AI receptionists and pay monthly? Because there's a lot of confusion about this and a lot of people don't online. If you don't know who I am, my name is Declan, the GHO Wizard. I've literally done this stuff for years now, sold to local businesses, AI, CRM. I've even won awards doing so, as you see on the screen right now. So I like to think I have a lot of experience, and this is just what's worked with me and other people. So I'm going to just show you the real psychology and my experience through these business owners. I also want to let you know I don't have some high ticket course or coaching upsell to sell you. None of that. Everything I'll be showing you in this video is going to be free from me. I just want to let you know that. I have experience with this. That's why I can speak confidently on this. So the idea that businesses are being willing to pay for this is not because they just like AI agents. It's because this solves a very specific problem in their business. That problem is answering the phones 24/7. Okay, so every time a business misses a lead, okay, so someone calls them maybe after hours, maybe weekends, maybe their salesperson or whoever's on the phone is just busy, they miss a call. And one missed call can be anywhere from $500 to $1,000, $2,000 lost depending on the industry. And this, by the way, goes for any industry, plumbers, HVAC, electrician. They will legitimately lose money. Now with an AI receptionist, like the one I'm talking about in this video, these can answer the phone calls. So whether they need help just answering the phones in general because they don't have enough people, whether they need after hours or they need weekends, this AI receptionist solves that. So reason why price points like these are justified is if you can just land 1 to 2 clients or answer 1 to 2 phone calls and properly book them in the system. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to set this up in a second. It more than pays for itself. And most local businesses get, like, I think the average is like 10 to 15 missed calls. So if you can properly solve this problem, business owners have no problem paying it. But more importantly, they will pay monthly for it. Okay, this is really important that you get this because it's solving an ongoing problem. And ongoing problems lead to ongoing money. A lot of people do not understand this. That's why a lot of these guys online, I see them offering services that just don't matter. Like a one-time website design, social media management, things that don't really solve ongoing problems. They just kind of seem cool. That's not what businesses want to pay for. Businesses simply want you to solve their problems. That is it. And this right here solves that problem. And that's why you can sell it for these kinds of prices. Now, you can obviously go lower than this or higher. It's up to you. This is just a good price range. I've seen absolutely crush. But like, these kinds of things are what you need to be selling. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set up these AI agents. And I do want to let you know the software that I'm using that powers all this AI stuff is called GoHighLevel. I do have a free trial down below, but more on that later because first I just want to show you how simple this is because it is very, very easy. So what I normally do, and this is the easiest way to do this, is I have pre-built out templates that you get for free when you use this software, which is way easier. Starting from scratch is also easy because you can go in and just pick from a template, but all you need to do is grab one of my templates. And I have other videos where I give these away for free, so let me know in the comments if you want one of these, if you have high level, but it's really simple. You would come into the AI agent that's pre-built out. You're going to leave all the settings the same. You can change the name if you want and the business name, which you would do right here. Then you're going to leave as is because I already already configured everything else perfectly. You're going to click save. Okay. Then all you're going to do is you're going to come to agent goals. Okay. You're going to want to make sure the exact knowledge base you have is selected. So for this one, it would be the Evercrest knowledge base. Again, we already have this all set up. Hello, I'm Chanel, the warm, professional, witty, blah, blah, blah for Evercrest Realty. Again, you can change all this with one of my AI prompts very simply. Have other videos on that. For the sake of this one, we're just breezing through it. But I already have everything set up. I have the calendar set up. I have the settings set up. I have the prompt set up. It's already all set up. Then you just click save. Then the last thing you need to do, because everything is already pre-configured with these AI agents, all you have to do is either pick an existing number or port their number in. Okay, so if they're using T-Mobile, you move it in, or you buy a number for $1.15 and plug it in. Simple as that. Then you're done. And you can see right here, you can test them and try them out just like this. Like, no joke, this is possibly the easiest, simplest setup ever. And even if you want to use my free templates, it's also really easy, and I have videos on that. So you're covered either way, but the templates is really good because what you can do, and this is just a little sneaky trick, is you can come out here, and I already have a bunch of these templates built, but you can come to Chanel, which is one I was using. Come here, click duplicate, and use one of my prompts to switch it to landscaping, plumbing, HVAC, electrician. So you have these AI agents for every single industry, as simple as that. So these are so easy to set up. Like, this is the most beginner-friendly business model out there. No joke. But what I want to do now, so you can understand this, is I actually want to test this for you live so you can see exactly just how simple this is. So let's run it through and let's have it call me. Okay, so let's type this in.
Hello, you reached Evercrest Realty. This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey, Chanel, how you doing? I'm looking to sell my house.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Selling your house, exciting. Let's get started. I can schedule a free evaluation with one of our expert agents to help price and market it effectively. Could you share the property address with me?
Yes, 3442 White Hart Lane, Virginia Beach, 78926, Virginia.
Got it. So that's 3,442 White Lane, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 78926.
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Let me schedule a free evaluation for you. I'll check our available slots. Just a moment. Here are some available slots for your free evaluation today, April 2nd at 3 p.m., 5 p.m., or 7 p.m. Tomorrow, April 3rd at 3 p.m., 5 p.m., or 7 p.m. Monday, April... Chanel. Let's just do the simplest one, the easiest one. The fastest one, I mean. Got it. The soonest available slot is today, April 2nd at 3 p.m. Shall I book that for you?
Please.
I see we have your email as... Is that correct?
Yes, but I want to use a new email.
All right. Could you please share your new email address? I'll make sure to update it for this booking.
Yes, it'll be Declan the Wizard 12345897777 at gmail.com.
Thanks. Let me confirm that. It's DECLANTHEWIZARD 12345897777 at gmail.com, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You're all set. Your free evaluation is booked for today, April 2nd at 3 p.m. A confirmation will be sent to your email, Declan the Wizard 12345897777 at gmail.com. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yes, I just have a quick question, Chanel. Is the home buying process and selling kind of a scary process?
That's a great question. And honestly, it's a common concern. The home buying and selling process can feel overwhelming at first, but with the right guidance, it's far from scary. At Evercrest Realty, we make it as smooth as possible by walking you through every step, whether it's pricing, staging, marketing, or negotiating offers. Think of it like having a trusted co-pilot for the journey. We handle the tricky stuff so you can focus on the exciting parts, like finding the perfect...
Awesome, Chanel. That's perfect. Thank you so much. You have a good day now.
You're so welcome. I'm glad I could help. Have a fantastic day and best of luck with your evaluation.
Yep. Bye-bye now. So you see how powerful that is? I mean, it's just absolutely insane. So now that you understand, what this is, how to set it up and all that stuff, I now want to actually go into you reaching out to local businesses and using my self-selling demo, which is a whole other thing, which you also get for free, which is insane. Trust me, you're about to see it. It is so cool. But that basically is going to solidify this and make it easy if you're not good at sales. And I want to let you know before you jump into that last part, if you are interested interested in Go High Level and you are interested in learning from me, I have a 30-day free trial link down below, okay? You get 30 days so you can try it risk-free. If you don't like it after 30 days, you can leave. No hard feelings. I literally have made this to be risk-free. You don't have to buy my 10K coaching program or any of this crap like these other gurus. None of that. It is something free that I believe can help you because it's worked for me and others. And on top of giving you 30 days free and all of these AI agents and my self-selling demo, I'm also going to give you access to my entire private community for free, full of winners where you can basically stay motivated constantly. All of my trainings, my systems on how to get clients, my pre-built out templates, sales scripts, but most importantly, you're going to get access to 7 live Zoom coaching calls per week. So these are ones with me, as you see, they're free. You don't have to pay for them. Okay. Ones with other coaches. We got coaches in every industry, Facebook ads, real estate, tech stuff. I mean, we got coaches galore, and these people actually use Go High Level. This is what makes my community so much different is I don't just have random VAs I hired overseas for $10 an hour to teach you about high level. These are real people that are actually selling Go High Level and using it. Like you are getting the best of the best. And all of this entire community, everything you see is free plus 30 days. Free. Like there isn't anything else like this online. I'm telling you guys right now. If you don't believe me and you're like, okay, this guy in a robe is just yapping, click the link down below and look at the testimonials I have. Look at the wins we have. We have more than anyone else. And this isn't just because I've marketed myself well. It's because we over deliver. We really do. Try to find a group where you can get access to qualified coaches, 7 of them for free. I'll wait. I'll wait here all year. You're not going to find it. It doesn't exist because I am one of one. Again, I'm not saying just to brag, but I really believe I can help you. So if this interests you and you aren't interested in all this, I recommend you just try it for 30 days. Like that's how certain I am you're going to like this, that I'm giving you access to all of this for free. That way, if you like it, and you still will get it free after, but you'll just have to use high level. But that way you can judge 30 days. You be the judge, not me. So if that interests you, go check it out. But now what we're going to do is we're going to go through finding businesses to sell us to using my self-selling demo. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna come right into Google and all you're gonna type in is plumbers in, we'll do New Orleans. Okay. Then you can type in any niche and then any location. So that's the first thing. Pick your niche and then your location. Type that in. And then here, we're basically going to go through and find the proper businesses using a special qualification method. Now, the whole point of this is we're not just finding businesses and bothering them. We're actually going to be giving them this self-selling demo that's going to help sell the agent for you so you don't have to. Essentially, what this is, refresh this page, it's an AI smart website you get for free when you sign up with this link, and it has custom CSS and code embedded that I put in for you to make them be able to demo it themselves. So if they come in, they can click anywhere. Arrows are going to point down here. They click this. They then talk to Jasmine as if they were being sold on Connor's Landscaping. Okay? This agent does not sell them. This agent provides value. Okay, it provides the business owners value. Again, we can change the niche of this. So if you're going after plumbers, it can be a plumbing one. If you're going after HVAC, it can be an HVAC one. We can switch it up. But the whole goal with this is that this exact thing sells the value, not closes. This is very important. They talk to Jasmine or however you have the agent configured. And what Jasmine does is it goes, we can, get you on the landscaping. We can fix your lawn. So they go, wow, this will work for my business. Not just being harassed by someone saying AI, because that's what a lot of you do. That's why you don't close deals. It provides value. So they immediately go, wow, this is valuable. I see how this could work. Really important. And then when they're done, they're going to click right through here and it's going to bring them to Maria, who is a self-selling agent. See, it's much different. This one on the right, okay, right here provides the value. This one on the left is going to walk them through and sell them. So once they go through, just like I showed you earlier, and it goes, and sells them, they then can talk to this one.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
Yeah, I loved it.
That's great to hear. Was there anything specific that stood out to you?
And what this agent's going to do is it's going to walk you through and basically get you on either an appointment, sell you directly, however you want to configure it. Depends on your sales sequence. But the whole goal is you have 2 different agents doing 2 different things working to sell the lead. Highly valuable and highly important. So this is the exact demo we're going to be using to then give to these local businesses. So there's going to be 2 different ways we're going to sell it. So we're going to go out and we're going to find these local businesses. The first way is we're going to go right up to these businesses, okay, that have websites, and we're just going to look to see if they have a chat widget, okay? And that chat widget is going to be one of these we can install on the website. So that's the first kind of lead. Ones where we just install it. Very simple. And we don't see a chat widget right here, so this is a qualified lead, and you just go through and check out their websites. The other way is looking at businesses, okay, we come in, that have closing time. So that's a lead right there. That's a lead right there. That's a lead right there. That's a lead right there, because the closing ones means that our AI receptionist can answer the phone in the off hours. Boom, hot lead. And some of these other open 24-hour ones, like this one, they're lying. They just say that because it helps them rank, but a lot of these people are not, and you can just call them to check it out. But these are hot leads. So that's the two different ways you want to segment by lead. Also, you can always add this voice widget to their website anyway, too. Just helps your chances of helping them go up more, which keeps them paying you. But that's essentially what you're going to be doing. So now that you find your leads, I recommend you obviously put them in GoHighLevel in the opportunity section, which we have that in the community for free, where it has pipelines that organizes them. But what we're going to do now is we're now going to figure out how we're going to reach out to them. So do you want to send them a text? Like, by the way, all compliance laws, check those out. I don't know where you're at. They apply to you. Send them an email, cold call them, walk into their business, send them a piece of mail, go on Zoom with them, go to their website and submit a form submission, send them a box of chocolates. However you want to do this, you need to pick one way. Again, in this community, we have calls based on this. We can hold your hand, guide you through selling, because it is the most important part. And that's another reason how I know a lot of these guys online don't know what they're talking about, is they don't go over this part. Like, this is the part that makes you money, not the building it. So just like, that's something that always frustrates me. But from there, you pick a way, you get in touch with them, and then you just send them a link to this demo, and the demo does the rest. Simple as that. That's all you have to do. And that's kind of the goal. And then from there, you can either hop on a call with them and sell them further, or you basically just kind of work with them slowly but surely by following up to sell the deal. But that's how you do it, because you want the AI agent to do the heavy lifting for you. That's the whole point of this. You do not want to be coming in and having to constantly go back and forth talking about AI, because every business owner and their mom has heard about AI, but no one knows what it does. That's why have you show them, not tell them, because showing is far more powerful. It's way better. And guys, again, the reason why this is so powerful, and this may be like a new concept to you, is because I've actually done this. So I'm giving you something that's helped me and worked with me and my other students and people in the community. So it's like the gurus online, they're not really doing this. They're just looking at videos and creating stuff. So they don't really get this, but like, you want to show, please, even if you don't get my free community and you get my free templates, even if you don't want to do anything like this, please, whatever you do, just try to show your features. Whatever business model you do, just do that, because even if you take that away from this video, it'll help you tremendously. It's showing, not telling, because anyone can tell, but not everyone can show. And showing is what's going to win the business owners over, because they have no idea what you're talking about. AI doesn't mean anything to them. You have to see how it works in action. So that's essentially it, guys. That's how this whole process works. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. If you want access to this entire private community, the 30-day free trial is right down below. And actually, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video that's just going to go over all the stuff you get in this community and show you a little more in depth, so you can see that this is legit. Because I can yap all day about it, but this video will actually show you. So thanks again for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one. Watch the video.